Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
وعليكم السلام
السلام ورحمة الله
السلام
وبركاته.
ورحمة الله وبركاته.
How are you, sisters?
الحمد
الحمد لله.
الحمد لله.
Alhamdulillah. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. Today is the second lesson for the Waqf rule. As we discussed in the last lesson, the Waqf means to stop while you recite the Quran. When you stop, this is called the Waqf. Or when you take a little pause, this is called Waqf. So we have seen in the last lesson how to do the Waqf on Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, and double Kasra and double Dhamma. Today, inshallah, you are going to see how to do the Waqf on double Fatha.
Okay.
Double Fatha is this sign. When you have two Fathas at the top, this is called double Fatha, or you can also call it as Fathatain in Arabic.
Yeah.
We'll use the word double Fatha, inshallah. So the way of stopping on double Fatha is different from how you stop on the other signs, Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, or double Kasra or double Dhamma. When you stop on double Fatha, we need to remember two things. The first one is you are going to take one Fatha away. Okay, you are going to take one Fatha away, and then you will stretch it for 2 counts. These are the 2 points you are going to remember if you are stopping on any place in the Quran which has double Fatha. Okay, the first thing you do is take one Fatha away and stretch it for 2 counts. So let me show you how you do that, inshallah. The first line, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يريد الله أن يخفف عنكم وخلق الإنسان ضعيفا. Right? I said ضعيفا, not ضعيفا. This is actually fun, right? Fa double fatha is fun. But because I'm stopping here, so what I did is I took away one fatha and then I stretched it. I didn't say ضعيفا. Fa, you need to stretch it for 2 counts. So you done it as if you have alif madda there. Do you remember alif madda from the level 1 Qaidah? Alif madda. When you have alif madda, you stretch it for 2 counts, right? So when you have double fatha, you will say do the same thing as if you have alif madda, and you will stretch it for 2 counts. So I'm going to repeat this again. وَخُلِقَ الْإِنسَانُ ضَعِيفًا. You can hear that 2 counts at the end.
Yeah.
The next one. فكيف إذا جئنا من كل أمة بشهيد. Now who can tell me how did I stop here? We did this in the last lesson. I said
Double.
بشهيد.
Yeah, you change the double kasra to sukun.
Yes, very good. I changed the double kasra into a sukun because the rule says that when you have double kasra, you need to change it into a sukun. So we don't say bishahidin or bishahidi. No, you say bishahid. Inshallah, later on we'll talk about qalqala as well when you come to the rule of qalqala. Okay, now the next line. وَجِئْنَا بِكَ عَلَى هَؤُلَاءِ شَهِيدًا. Here, again, you stopped by stretching the last letter. The dal, you stretch it for 2 counts, right?
Yeah.
So this is shahida because you stopped on the double fatha. The next line. وَيَقُولُ الْإِنسَانُ أَإِذَا مَا مِتُّ لَسَوْفَ أُخْرَجُ حَيًّا. Again, can you see here? You have hayyan. You have hayyan, right? You have double fatha on the ya, but you don't say hayyan. You say hayya. This is how you will stop whenever you have double fatha in the Quran and if you have planned to stop there. The next line. وَالَّذِينَ إِذَا ذُكِّرُوا بِآيَاتِ رَبِّهِمْ. The meme, the letter meme has sukun itself, so I don't have to do anything, right? I will stop because it has a sukun. I don't have to do any waqf rule here. Next one. لم يخروا عليها صما وعميانا. Again, double fatha. That's why I said yana. Alif madda. Na. Okay. So this is how you'll be stopping on double fatha. The next line. يوم ينفخ في الصور. Okay, who can say me what did I do here? How did I stop here?
Kasra.
Yes. So what
Put the
do I do when I have
you put
kasra?
the sukun.
Yes.
Instead of
Yes.
kasra, you put the sukun there.
Very good. So the first rule in this qaida, it says that when you have the waqf on, when you have the fatha, kasra and dhamma, and you need to stop, you will change the kasra or fatha or dhamma into a sukun. That's what I did here. I said sur, not suri. All right. So this was the first rule. The next one is وَنَحْشُرُ الْمُجْرِمِينَ يَوْمَئِذٍ زُرْقًا. Qa. It's a heavy letter, no? And it has double fatha. That's why we have to do the alif madda here. We took away one fatha and we stretch it for 2 counts. So this was all about how you do the waqf on double fatha. Do you have any questions?
Yes.
Okay. Would you like to read the first line?
Yes, sister.
Yes, please go ahead, Sister Farzana.
يريد الله أن يخفف عنكم وخلق الإنسان ضعيفا.
Yes, very nice, mashallah. Please remember, at the moment, I'm not correcting any other mistakes. Like, I'm not talking about the ikhfa here and how to read this Allah here, and you didn't do the idgham here, but it's fine because we are doing the rule of only the waqf on double fatha. So it's fine. You did the waqf of double fatha very nicely, mashallah. Well done. Yes, next 2 lines, please. Who would like to say?
Sister,
I
should
will
I
go for it.
Yeah, please go ahead. Yes, please. Was it
Okay,
Sister
I will
Siha?
go.
Mhm.
Yeah. فكيف إذا جئنا من كل
Stretch, please. Alif madda. إذا جئنا.
فكيف إذا جئنا من كل أمة بشهيد
Okay. Sister, do we say bishahid?
و...
No, we have to
yeah,
stop here. So,
بشهيد
yes. When we stop here, we say bishahid. Okay, you change the double
بشهيد
kasra into a sukun. So we don't say bishahidiyun or bishahidi or bishahidin. No. Very good. Next line, please.
وجئنا بك على هؤلاء شهيدا.
Yes, very nicely, mashallah. You did very nice waqf here on shahida. Good. Next line, please.
ويقول الإنسان
ويقو. Cough properly, please. ويقول.
ويقول الإنسان أإذا ما مت لسوف أخرج حي
لسوف أخرج.
لسوف أخرج حيا
حيا. Yes, very nicely.
حيا.
Very nicely done, mashallah. But sisters, remember, I'm not going to correct your other rules like ikhfa, idgham, iqlab, or qalqala here. But we need to make sure that we don't do the mistakes of pronunciation. Okay, like qaf has to be pronounced correctly, and we don't stretch on the fatha kasra dhamma because these are some of the rules that has been taught in level 1 qaida. So we'll make sure that we don't do the mistakes of level 1 qaida. So if you say here la sawfa, no, it's not fa. It's only fa. Fa, fatha, fa. لسوف أخرج حيا. Okay, otherwise it was very good, mashallah. Yes, who would like to say the next two lines?
I can.
Yeah, she said.
والذين إذا ذكروا بآيات ربهم لم يخروا عليها
يخروا. Stretch 2 counts, please. It's yeah, it's one with that.
لم يخروا عليها صما وعميانا.
Yes, very nicely done. For double fatha, you did very good, mashallah. Okay, and we are left with only last two lines.
Yeah, I can read.
Please.
يوم ينفخ في الصور ونحشر مجرمين
ونحشر. Join this ra with the lamb, please. Rule.
ونحشر المجرمين يومئذ زرقا.
Very good, mashallah. Well done. Okay, so we'll end the session here. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام.
السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.